In this video, we'll provide an overview of the Smooth Tool software and how to get started. To begin, from the left-hand side of the screen, under UR caps, click the Smooth Tool button to insert a Smooth Tool node. A Smooth Tool program consists of several key components. The Smooth Tool node, which serves as the program start page, the initial point, the robot's home position, and then one or more welds, which define how the robot approaches, performs, and exits a weld. Welds may have variations, such as tack, pipe, and multipass. Additional weld parameter nodes can be inserted to adjust settings for specific welds. In its point is the robot's safe home position, where the program typically starts. From here, the robot moves safely to the approach point of the first weld. To set this point, tap the Init Point node in the program tree and click the Set Waypoint button. Start by selecting the tack feature on the Smooth Tool page. This will add a tack node to your program tree. Select the node to access a detailed how-to page explaining the role of the flange in the tacking process. Under the tack node, you can add two types of points, tack points and air points. Press the red button on the programming flange to add a new tack point. Press the blue button on the programming flange to create an air point. To set these points, use the free drive button to position the robot arm, then press the red button to define the tack point. Repeat this process to set the desired number of tack points. Add an air point using the blue button if necessary. You can modify parameters for all tack points at once or customize them individually. To modify settings for all tack points, select the main tack node and navigate to the Parameters tab. Within the Parameters tab, you can adjust the retraction, which is the distance the torch retracts from the tack point, and the tack time, the duration of the weld at the defined tack point. Use the How-To tab under Weld node to follow the step-by-step guidance. You can customize parameters like travel speed, angles, and weaving patterns in the Parameters tab, and Advanced Corner Handling, which simplifies the programming by setting only the corner points and letting the software manage the torch reorientation. You can save weld settings as profiles to reuse them into the programs. Profiles ensure consistency across welds and can be shared between robots using USB drives. Welds consist of several nodes: the approach nodes, the weld start, the weld path, and the exit nodes. The weld start marks the beginning of the welding path, where the robot activates the welding arc upon arrival. The weld path consists of a combination of linear segments and circular segments, which guide the robot along the defined welding path. Linear segments represent straight paths between specific points, configured by setting an endpoint for each segment. Circular segments define curved paths, defined by specifying a via point and an endpoint to shape the arc. These segments work together to form a seamless and accurate welding path, tailored to the geometry of the workpiece. Cobo Weld's weaving function allows users to enhance welds by applying various patterns to linear or circular segments, including zigzag, crescent, circles, trapezoid, and back and forth, offering flexibility for different welding applications. The Smooth Tool 3D universe provides a visual representation of your torque welding path in a virtual environment, allowing you to view and adjust your program in real time. With the Start Here feature, you can easily select any point within the 3D universe to define a new starting point for your program, giving you greater flexibility and control over your welding setup. If you want to learn more about Cobo Weld, head over to our website, fill out the contact form, and one of our team members will be in touch.